What is going on, guys? Your boy Chaotic Kicks, and we are here to discuss Air Jordan 12 royalties. Before we do that, man, look, I got an unboxing, bro. This comes straight from Gold Standard approved, bro. You feel what I'm saying? We're gonna open up the box and see what they sent you, boy. They sent you, boy, some drop front cases, man. As you can see, it does say Gold Standard premium sneaker storage cases, bro. Listen, I definitely love the presentation on how they presented these boxes, bro. But your boy about to open up the lid and see what they actually looking like, bro. Now the box did come with 2 of these things, bro. And with that being said, bro, the instruction does have what goes where and what not. But not only that, man, it does come with the numbers on the pieces that you got, bro. Your boy is about to go ahead and put it together, man, and I'm gonna show y'all the end result. I got it all put together and everything, bro. Not only that, bro, these are wider than your standard container store boxes, man. You got more room to put your sneakers off in here. Not only that, bro, the best feature that I like about this box and case or whatnot is that the door, man, you can actually see that it's magnetic. You know what I'm talking about? Other than the container store that you gotta push down on or whatnot, bro. And if you like me, man, I'm tired of those things breaking on me having to order more or whatnot, bro, and I'm sick of it. So I will be converting over to Gold Standard cases, bro. I love it. Wider. And your boy is about to put a sneaker in there so you guys can actually see, man. As you can see, man, I'm gonna put the 12s off in here that I just caught today. And look, bro, look how much more room that you have, man. Whether you like them standing up like this or you like them sitting sideways like this, you know. At the end of the day, man, look at there. It's so much simpler, so much better, man. And your boy do like it, man. But with that being said, bro, if you like what you seen, bro, go down in the description below, man. Use promo code Chaotic Kicks, man. Save yourself 15% on all Gold Standard approved products, man. I guarantee, bro, you won't be disappointed, bro. You feel what I'm saying? But let's go ahead and get into this video. You can see, man, it does come with your plain Air Jordan 12 box. You got a Jumpman on the lid, and on the side it does say quality inspired by the greatest player ever. You do get Jordan on this side, man, and let's check out that tag and label, bro. Tag and label does say Air Jordan 12 Retro. Colorway is white, metallic gold, black. These shoes did retail for $190, and this is your boy personal pair, man. Now let's go ahead and open up the lid and see what it's looking like, bro. You do get your regular paper that comes in here. I don't see a stamp, sticker. Bam, man, there you have it, brother. Air Jordan 12 royalties, man. Listen, this shoe does remind me of the Taxi or whatnot, but it's not, you dig? It does have the same similar colorway as well as the Chinese New Year's, the CNY 12s as well, man. You know what I'm saying? With the CNYs, I think they came with like some Chinese lettering on the tongue. I think that said Nike or Jumpman. I really don't know, don't quote me. But this sneaker does have that type of appearance as far as the taxis. A lot of people are calling these the poor man taxis or whatnot, but listen, you big dummy. Instead of going out there spending $300, $400, bro, on a sneaker, bro, and you got something that looks definitely close to it, why not go ahead and cop that sneaker, bro, for something cheaper? That way you still got the same shoe on your foot, bro. You know what I'm saying? Only difference is a little bit of coloring. You dig what I'm saying? But definitely a close look, close appearance. You know what I'm saying? Close comparison. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into the details. Taking a look at the bottom, you can see that you do get a black bottom. You got that gray hits of the carbon fiber underneath. You got a gold Jumpman thing right here. You know what I'm saying? Your leather on this shoe is buttery, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I love the leather that's on this sneaker. Dope, dope, dope. But other than that, man, you know, you see you got your gold Jumpman eyelets right here. You got gold running down the tongue in 2-3. Another hit of gold right here. White Jumpman. Black laces. These does come with a spare pair of white laces. And I do think I might throw the white laces in there, bro, to probably make the shoe pop even more. Look like you got like a quilted inside. And also in the inside of the sneaker, you do get gold Jumpman as well, man. And like I was saying, if you don't have the taxis in your collection, bro, this is definitely a pickup that you would want to add to your collection, bro. We don't know when we're gonna get the taxis back or whatnot. And hey, bro, who cares, bro? It looks like it, rock it or whatnot. But I know they got a lot of you OG heads out there that would love to see the taxis come back as well as myself. But this right here will do for now, and your boy is definitely excited to have this sneaker in the collection. You feel me? But with that being said, bro, y'all let me know down there in the comment section, man, who went after this sneaker, bro? How do you feel about it? Do you like these, or do you wish that the Nike and Jordan brand decide to bring the taxis back or whatnot, bro? Just leave all that down there in the comment section below, man. Definitely appreciate all the love and support, bro, that y'all show the channel, man. Especially salute to my day ones, bro. And if you haven't, hit that subscribe button or that notification bell, man. Go ahead and do that. And also leave a like if you enjoy the content that you see, man. With that being said, bro, it's your boy Chaotic Kicks, aka Mr. I Rock My Sneakers, man. And I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Peace.